In this video, we'll take a look at how you can send out SMS notifications from your business phone number using our SMS Gateway feature. Consider taking advantage of this feature if you're using SMS notifications, as it will allow you to save 20–30% when compared to using SimplyBook.me SMS credits. From our side, using the feature is covered by a one-time activation fee. There's no need to purchase SMS credits if you've set it up. To begin, please create an account with one of the supported service providers: Vonage, Twilio, BulkSMS, HISMS, Websms, or Infobip. You can enable SMS Gateway by navigating to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account, locating it, clicking on the payment button, and proceeding to the purchase. Once the payment is completed, simply choose your SMS Gateway provider in the settings, fill out the access credentials, and save changes. Please make sure to use the same phone number you used for the SMS Gateway provider account. If you want to use accented Latin, Cyrillic, or other special symbols, kindly check if your SMS Gateway supports them. Using these will also affect how many credits are used per message. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.